Hello everyone, welcome to the political science tutorial. This is the one place to learn everything about political science. This channel will help you all with all the concepts of political science as well as theories in both English and Hindi. So spread a word regarding this channel. Subscribe to my channel. Share this tutorial with everyone. Comment in the comment box below and like the button, as well as don't forget to press the bell icon so that every time when I come up with a new tutorial you will get all the notification in advance. So let us begin this tutorial, and in today's tutorial we are going to talk about ओरिजिन्स ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। आप सबका स्वागत है इस नए ट्यूटोरियल में, और आज के इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम लोग जानेंगे ओरिजिन्स ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। सो लेट अस बिगिन दिस न्यू टॉपिक। वेल, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज originated in their modern form in Europe and the US in the 19th century along with the electoral and parliamentary system. The term party has since came to be applied to all organized groups seeking political powers, whether by democratic elections or by revolutions. So when we talk about the origins of political parties, then we need to understand here that these modern form of political parties actually originated from Europe as well as from United States of America, and these evolution or origin of political parties in modern time began in the 19th century onwards. Now these the term party always applied to all the organized groups who are seeking to attain or seeking to have or who are seeking to control the political power, and this is through democratic elections as well as by revolution. So we have to remember that the origin of political party actually comes in the modern from Europe and US, that is in 19th century, and the term political party is always associated with all the groups, whichever groups who wants to have the power either through democratic means, that is politically participation, or through election, or directly by revolution. Now this is what the first aspects of understanding the origin of political party is all about. जब हम ओरिजिन ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ की बात करते हैं तो हमें ये समझना चाहिए यहाँ पर कि जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है वो दरअसल एक मॉडर्न टाइम में अगर देखा जाए, मतलब 19वीं शताब्दी के बाद या 19वीं शताब्दी के दौरान, तो हमें ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट मिलता है मॉडर्न पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ का, वो हमें सिर्फ यूरोप में मिलता है और यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका में मिलता है। और जब ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का जो टर्म रहता है वो ज़्यादातर एसोसिएटेड रहता है सारे उन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पॉलिटिकल पावर हथियाना चाहते हैं, और ये पॉलिटिकल पावर वो कंट्रोल करते हैं थ्रू डेमोक्रेटिक मीन्स, मतलब इलेक्शन करवा के या फिर रेवोल्यूशन की मदद से। सो ये सिंपल मीनिंग है और समझना है कि ओरिजिन ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कैसे हो गया। वेल, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, इन अर्लियर टाइम स्पेशली during the pre-revolutionary times, especially of aristocratic and monarchical regime, the political process unfolded within the restricted circle in which a small influential groups and factions, they grouped around particular noblemen or influential personalities. Now here we need to understand that much before the revolutionary time, the concept of political process was controlled by aristocratic and monarchical regime, and for them the political process indirectly was about influencing the monarch or influencing the group of a people. And therefore many a time during this period of time, lot of people used to group around these aristocratic and monarchical agents, or people who are a very important player in a monarchy. And if they want to get their work done, if they want to get their certain benefit to them, then these people would go through the political process, and that political process is restricted to these aristocratic families and people who are close to monarch. And these people will eventually get their work done through aristocratic family and monarchical regime. रेवोल्यूशंस होने से पहले जो पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस जो होता था वो सिर्फ एक रेस्ट्रिक्टेड सर्कल में होता था, और जो रेस्ट्रिक्टेड सर्कल होता था वो ज़्यादातर एरिस्टोक्रेटिक लोग हुआ करते थे, उनकी फैमिलीज़ हुआ करते थे, और बाकी सारे लोग जो उस मोनार्किकल रेजिम में मोनार्क को बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस करते थे। और इसीलिए बहुत सारे लोग इन लोगों के आसपास मंडराते रहते थे ताकि वो अपना काम इनसे निकलवाए, और इसी तरह एक पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस हुआ करता था। जैसे अगर हम आज की तारीख में देखें तो अगर हमारा कुछ हमको काम करवाना है तो largely people take the support of these political leaders, and these political leaders in a way plays a very important role to put pressure on the government. And similarly उस ज़माने में जो political process होता था वो restricted लोगों के बीच होता था, और बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करते थे और इनसे अपना काम करवाया करते थे। And this is what the time we have much before the revolutionary time which began later, and eventually that changed the entire political process. So much before the political parties came into existence, political party आने से पहले यही एक पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस हुआ करता था कि अगर किसी को अपना कुछ काम करवाना है राजा से या फिर रूलिंग पार्टी से या फिर रूलिंग फैमिली से, then people would catch hold of these people who are very influential people and who are a very important member of that political process, either in aristocratic setup or in monarchical regime. Moving forward, eventually the establishment of parliamentary regime and the appearance of parties at first scarcely changed this situation. So eventually when we got political parties and when we got parliamentary regime into the place, eventually there were some political party which appeared, and when these political parties started playing important role in parliamentary regime, that totally changed the situation of understanding the governance and understanding the political process. और इसीलिए हमें ये समझना चाहिए कि जब हमने पार्लियामेंट्री रेजिम को एस्टैब्लिश किया, और ये पार्लियामेंट्री रेजिम ज़्यादातर यूरोप में पहले पाए गए और उसके बाद ऑब्वियसली इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका। सो जब ये पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम को एस्टैब्लिश किया गया इन 19th सेंचुरी, ऑटोमेटिकली वहाँ पर ग्रुप्स तैयार होने लगे, और ये ग्रुप्स बेसिकली वे रिप्रेजेंटिंग सम आइडियोलॉजीज़, और उनको आज हम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ कहते हैं। और जब से ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ पार्टिसिपेट करने लगे पार्लियामेंट्री सॉर्ट ऑफ रेजिम में, तब से एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज हमें देखने को मिला। और ये चेंज ये था कि अब लोग अरिस्टोक्रेटिक फैमिली को छोड़ के पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ को ज्वाइन करने लगे, और थ्रू पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ दे कैन इन्फ्लुएंस द सिस्टम एज वेल एज द गवर्नेंस। एंड देयरफॉर we must understand here that the small knights or influential groups who formed their importance around various princes, dukes, as well as around bankers, merchant, industrialists, businessmen, and these would support each other for specific objective and causes. And this is what basically happened when these political parties were came into existence. And therefore, moving on, we have to remember that eventually in 19th century in Europe and America, they emerged पार्टीज डिपेंडिंग ऑन मास सपोर्ट. और इसीलिए हमें समझना चाहिए कि 19वीं शताब्दी के दौरान यूरोप में और अमेरिका में बहुत से पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज उभरने लगे. उनका योगदान बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रहा और ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ज़्यादातर डिपेंडिंग ऑन मास सपोर्ट, मतलब जो भी कोई उस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को सपोर्ट करेगा दैट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी उस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को इलेक्शन जीतने में बहुत बहुत मदद कर देगी. एंड देयरफॉर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड इन 20th century, today we saw spread of political parties in entire world. Today the time has changed. From 19th century to 20th century, it's a long time where we have different types of political parties which are just mushrooming all over the world. In fact, in our country, we are the one of the best example when it comes to democracy and when it comes to political parties. We have more than thousands political parties registered under the election commissions of India. Although all these parties are not contesting election, but having said this, we have more than 1,000 political parties, and this is a beautiful example to see that in today's century, in 20th century, we have political parties spread across the world, not only just in Europe or not only just in the US, but we have political parties playing more important role, and they represent different sections of society. And therefore we need to understand that 20th century saw that spread of political parties around the world. और हमें यहाँ पर ये समझना है कि जैसे हम 20वीं शताब्दी में आते हैं तो हमें ये पता लगता है कि जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ होती है वो आज इस तरह फैली है, वो एकदम मशरूम की तरह पैदा हो रही है. आप किसी भी डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम को देख लो, आप किसी भी देश को देख लो जहाँ पर डेमोक्रेसी है, तो आपको बहुत सारी पार्टियाँ मिलेंगी. देयर आर एक्सेप्शनल कंट्रीज लाइक इन US और इन UK, largely they have a two-party system. But having said this, even in UK now we have independent parties or independent people who represent different sections of society. और यहाँ पर एक बहुत important example हमारे देश का ले लो, जहाँ पर हज़ारों के करीब, इनफैक्ट मोर देन 1000, वी हैव डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़. ये सारे पार्टीज़ इलेक्शन कमीशन के अंडर रजिस्टर किए गए हैं, लेकिन ये सारे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट नहीं करती है. हैविंग सेड दिस, ये सारी पार्टियाँ प्लेड अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन 21st सेंचुरी. और इसीलिए हमें समझना चाहिए कि आज की तारीख में, आज की 20वीं शताब्दी में, the spread of political parties have happened all around the world. In fact, in developing countries, large modern political parties have sometimes been based on traditional relationships such as ethnic, tribal or religious affiliation. And therefore we have seen in developing countries that today the political parties are represent the ethnic aspects of that particular tribe, ethnic part of the particular region, tribal, as well as there are certain political parties which are based on religious affiliation. And therefore, moreover, many political parties in developed countries are partly political and partly military. And therefore we also have to remember here, in developing countries the political parties have two important role to play. Sometimes partly they play a political role as well as they play partly military role. And here we have example is China's Communist Party have these roles which they are playing largely in their country. Now, having said this is all about how the political parties have origin over a period of time from 19th century to till 20th century. And here I am basically talking about the modern form of political parties which began from Europe and US in 19th century, and over a period of time by 20th century today political parties have spread across the world. So this is all about the origin of political parties, and I hope you have really understood this topic, and I will see you soon in next tutorial. Till then, take care. और जाते जाते ये भी बोल दूंगा कि please subscribe to my channel, share these videos with all your friends, let the benefits of these tutorials reach out to the maximum students as well as maximum people who really want to learn and understand the concept theories all about political science. So thank you very much for watching this. I'll see you soon in next tutorial. Till then, take care.